What's up guys, it's Alex here. I mentioned in the previous video that instead of having huge goals, you should set simpler ones so you can achieve them. And I just like to mention that it works for any difficult tasks. So whenever you have a hard task, the only thing that you need to do is to divide it into simpler ones. And it doesn't matter what this task is about. Whether it's your huge life goal or your goal for 2021, some hard task at work, or some things you need to do at your home. Just decompose this task into simpler ones before starting. And when you start, just focus on the task at hand. Just ignore all the rest of the task and focus only on this one. Once you've finished with this task, move to the next one. And while doing so, you want to notice how you accomplished your hard task. Otherwise, you may not know where to start because this task is so complicated and you don't even know how to deal with it. Where to start, what to do first, what to do later. You're afraid you'll forget something. You need to keep a lot in your mind. You might get anxious about it because it's too hard for you. It demotivates you so much, so you may end up procrastinating instead of starting doing this task. But when you need to work only on a small task, it's way easier to start, even when you don't feel like working at all. So you're tired, you didn't have enough sleep last night, you come to work and you just start working on a task. Because you know that you have this small task, you need to achieve it and it doesn't matter where you're next. But as a result, you move forward. Eventually, you're done, your goal is accomplished. Also, when you have a small task, you do it faster and it's easy to finish it. You do it sooner and you don't need to put so much effort into it. And you made to mark that you've done this task and you can enjoy it. You achieved something and your brain produces dopamine to make you happy. And eventually you just realize that nothing is impossible. Because you know, no matter how huge a task is, you can divide it into smaller ones and you can divide this smaller task into even smaller ones and keep doing it until you end up with having just 100 or 1000 small tasks that you can do in no time. Great feeling, huh? So that's it. Keep in mind that it's always a great idea to divide a big task into smaller ones. Try this out and let me know how it worked for you. And I'll see you in the next video.